Hi guys.
What's that?
It's hi guys.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to work on short bob box braids with a sprinkle of color. We're going to be using the Super TZ braid from Supreme here in 48 inches. I also have some copper here from a previous hairstyle. My hair is freshly washed, but I won't do any blow drying because I don't want to put any heat on it. I'm just going to twist it in sections so it's more manageable, and I will work section by section. As you can see, I started a couple of the braids in the back. What I've been doing is taking the hair and cutting it in half. I then cut it in half again. That makes 4 pieces. And then I just feather it out. We do the feathering so that you don't have blunt ends. You want to part your section. My hair is very short in the back, but I'm determined to braid it anyway. I'm using some jam, which is going to help with shine. It's going to make it a little bit easier for me to grip, and it kind of stretches my hair in a way, as you can see. Then you go ahead and start attaching your braid from the root. I don't need the braids to be too long in the back because I already know I'm going to be doing a bob hairstyle. As you move towards the top of the head, you cut the hair in half, and then eventually you don't cut them at all because you want the ones at the top to be long enough to meet the ones at the bottom. Here I'm just adding a bit of that leftover hair I have from a previous hairstyle just to add some color. The top of the head is where it gets a little tricky because of the color that I have in my hair. I have to try really hard to tuck the blonde pieces so it doesn't show. If you're working on a client, it's fairly easy to do this, but working on your own hair, it's a little bit harder, especially in the back. I think some of them I was able to tuck most of it. Some of them I wasn't able to. For the most part, as you can see, most of it is tucked.
Hey guys, back with another video.
Seriously? special guest appearance. Okay, so I was able to finish braiding all of my hair. As you can see, there is a couple specks of blonde hair still showing back there. But as I said, it's very hard to tuck your own hair in the back. Now I'm just using a lighter to burn my hair the old-fashioned way. You melt the hair at your desired length, rub it with your fingers, and then pull it off. Roll the flame up the hair to remove flyaways as well. And we're all done. Here's the finished product. My husband helped me to burn the ones in the back that I wasn't able to reach. He kind of did his own little thing back there, but it's good enough. Good?
Yes, good.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.